Okay, dear student, welcome to this English class. Today we are going to learn about two important verbs. We're going to speak about open and close. For example, this book is open, but this book is closed. Okay, this is closed and this is open. Very good. When you see doors in the bathroom, when you see the door is open, it's because somebody is opened the door and another person closed the door. Okay, for example, can you open this book? Open this book.
Open.
You open this book. Okay, very good. Close that book. So this is the action to open and this is the action to close. Can you close that door in front of you? That door. Door. Can you close it? Stand up. Close the door. Very good. This is the first time that this student hear about close and open. Okay? Open the door, please. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Sit down, Roxanne. We can see another pictures about the books. This book is open and this book is closed. Repeat after me loudly. Open.
Open.
Closed.
Close.
Open.
Open.
Closed.
Close.
This is bread. Do you like bread? Bread? It's good. Delicious. Repeat after me. Bread.
Bread.
When people bake the bread, it's in a bakery. This is the store. If you go to the bakery to buy some bread and the bakery is open, you can enter and say, please give me some bread. And the girls maybe are going to ask you, how many breads do you have? I want to 5 breads. So because the bakery is open, you can buy bread, okay, because it's open. But when it's closed, you can enter because it's closed. It's sad, no? Because it's closed. For example, say, sorry, we are closed. Sorry, we are closed. But when they are open, we are happy because it's open. Of course, you need to have money because if you haven't money, you can't buy. If you have no money, you can't buy some bread. Okay? So we are going to review. Okay, this book is open or closed? This book.
Close.
Closed. Very good. Very good. This is the first question, and you are right. Okay, open the another book. Open. Okay, close the door, please. And open that door, please. That's very good, Roxari. You are a very good student. Sit down, please. As you can see in this little class, this student, that is my daughter, she learned about close and open, and this is the first time that she hear about these verbs. And this is a very good example about TPR in the class. Okay, thank you for your help. Thank you for your attention. You are a very good student. Thank you. And have a nice Sunday. Goodbye, my dear daughter.